Today, I'm going to show you how to make fun, chewy, and delicious homemade gummy bears. They're surprisingly simple. You only need a few ingredients, and you can customize them to any flavor or colors you like. I'm looking for that perfect gummy bear. Haribo, they're a classic, but they're a little too chewy for me. I want that chew, but for it to not get stuck in my teeth. You know what I mean? So for my perfect gummy bear, I want it chewy and stretchy, like a gummy should be. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 5 teaspoons powdered gelatin, 3.5 tablespoons water or juice, depending on how you're going to flavor it, 3.5 tablespoons sugar, a second measurement of 3.5 tablespoons water or juice, half teaspoon lemon juice, which I didn't use for the champagne flavor, but if you're going with fruit, it's a good idea, and a 1/4 cup corn syrup. For tools, you'll need a saucepan, a whisk, a spatula, an eyedropper or squeeze bottle, and of course, some gummy bear molds. You can find these online pretty cheap, and they make your gummies look real nice. We're going to start by pouring 3.5 tablespoons of cold water in your bowl, and then sprinkle the gelatin on top. Let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is called blooming. It helps the gelatin absorb the liquid. While the gelatin is blooming, measure out your sugar and the second part of water. Add your lemon juice, and we're going to heat these up to a soft ball state, about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, you can tell when it's ready by blowing bubbles. Take a slotted spoon, dip it in the sugar, and blow some bubbles. If there's no bubbles, it's not ready yet. Remove from heat, then add your gelatin and corn syrup, and any flavorings you're using. Now carefully pour the mixture into your gummy bear molds. This is where an eyedropper or squeeze bottle come in handy. It just makes it easier for filling those tiny teddy bears without spilling anything. Once you've filled your molds, place that in the fridge for about 2 hours. I give it a little more time after they're set, just to make sure. After your gummy bears are set, gently pop them out of the molds. And there you have it, homemade gummy bears. They're chewy, fruity, and so much fun to make. You should be able to store these in an airtight container in the fridge for about 2 weeks, but I've always eaten mine before then, so I can't tell you how they actually hold up. You guys should try different flavors and colors, and let me know how they came out in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more sweet tutorials. See y'all next time.